Well, good morning YouTube channel. This is Belmont here, showing you live from Ambridge, Pennsylvania, here at the Dollar General. So I came in to kill some time before I go on my current mission. We are going to see the fabulous Game Master's Realm, which opens fairly soon. But I came in and I'm in the hardware section and spied the famous small brass padlock, which has, wow, wouldn't you know it, guard security, which are the small unshielded ones, and how they are all keyed in master lock. $3.50, great bargain, hey guys? And a side-by-side pair of laminated padlocks, also master, $5. Another laminated padlock, also another master lock, and a long laminated one. But this is just the start for a small series of videos for today. And again, we are here in Ambridge, Pennsylvania. That is 15003 zip code. So if you're looking for cheap padlocks to practice on, you know where to find them. Stick around.